Hello YouTube, Nick here from TechnoOvo. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at the Neos SmartCam. Neos are known in the UK for providing smart home insurance to homeowners, utilising smart tech to detect fires, break-ins and leaks. They have now developed a new wireless camera packed full of features and very affordable, making it easier than ever to protect your home. I present to you the Neos SmartCam. The Neos SmartCam is packed full of features that you typically associate with more expensive cameras. It offers a full HD 1080p image, including night vision, which can be viewed live or played back. It has motion and noise detection and will send you alerts when one of those are triggered. It has an auto arming feature which will automatically turn the camera on or off when you leave or arrive at your home, saving on storage and adding some privacy when you are actually at home. It also offers two-way audio, an 8x zoom, and all footage can be saved to the cloud for free for up to 14 days before being overwritten or locally via an SD card. The camera itself is rather small and discreet and will blend in with most home decors. It's constructed from plastic and includes an adjustable stand which swivels, allowing a lot of flexibility on positioning. Within the settings, you can also rotate the camera 180 degrees if you decide to mount it on the ceiling. There is a 2 meter long power cable and adapter included with the camera, which should be more than enough for most installations. Setting up the camera was very simple. It was just a case of downloading the free Neos app to your smart device, registering an account with them for free, and then following the on-screen instructions. It's a case of listening out for voice prompts from the camera and showing a QR code from your smart device to the camera itself. It will connect to your home Wi-Fi network and then be fully accessible on your network or remotely via the app. The app itself is very sleek, user-friendly, with very easy navigation and a variety of settings for you to play with. So I've been using this camera for just over a week now, and it's performed very well. The picture quality is very good, very smooth, with very little delay or lag when compared to similar cameras on the market. That being said, you do lose some of that quality when you zoom in on the footage from your smart device. The camera lens is very wide, so you do get a good wide image, but you do also get that fisheye effect towards the edges, similar to what you'd see in some of the older action cams. The night vision performs very well, providing a very clear image from up to 5 meters. The audio in the camera, it's okay. It's clear enough, although it makes you sound somewhat like a robot when you are using the two-way audio feature. Lastly, this is an internal camera only. It is not waterproof in any way, and I do not recommend you use it outside. The best part about this little camera? It costs just $19.99 plus delivery, with no requirement to purchase any home insurance policy with Neos, making it a must-have for anyone starting out with home security, or for those who already have a system and want to expand it. For me, I've been using it as a baby monitor, and it is so much better than some of the specific baby monitors on the market at a fraction of the cost. The SmartCam is available to pre-order now from the Neos website, with shipping from the 28th of January. And that's a wrap on the Neos SmartCam. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you.